Check out this cute little guitar tuner. It comes in red, also gray and black. I'll link it down below so you can grab it up on Amazon. So this reads the vibrations on your guitar. No cords required. You don't need a 1/4 inch. You don't need an actual giant tuning pack. You just clip it on the edge of your guitar and it reads the vibrations so that you can tune on the spot. So this is great for any, especially the beginning guitar players, so they can see the actual display. So it doesn't have to be just guitar. It'll switch to bass, ukulele, G instrument, or you can set it for chromatic. It's also set at 440. You can adjust that as well. And it's rechargeable. It comes with a charging cable. So here's what happens though when you tune it. See how it gives you colors? Let me detune that one. So when my beginner players see this, they can go, oh, I've got lots of colors. I got to give a little more of a crank. And you get it back up into that blue zone. Even better if you can get the blue bar to go away. Now if I go too far, it's going to come out the other side. So it lets the player see that. Especially for beginners, this is crucial to be able to see that because their ears aren't always the greatest to be able to tune their guitar. And once they get that one, they can move on to the next one. It's going to name the string and then give them the colors to let them know up or down if they're tuning it right or not. So again, I'll link it down below. You can get this on Amazon. I love that it comes in red and that you can turn it and swivel it and get it at the perfect angle, and it covers multiple string instruments. Overall, a very versatile little tuner for any guitar player or string player in your life.